Welcome to this video. Solve the following maths questions related to scholastic aptitude. It says if x plus 1 over x is equal to 3, find x squared plus 1 over x squared. So how can we solve this type of questions? So what is given? X plus 1 over x is equal to 3 is given. So take x plus 1 over x, the whole square means, a plus b, the whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b, the whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square. By using this rule, x plus 1 over x, the whole square is equal to, so x square plus 2 times x times 1 over x plus 1 over x, the whole square. So this is equal to x square plus 2, x by x is cancelled, x by x cancel, 2 plus 1 over x square. So x plus 1 over x is given, which is 3. 3 the whole square is equal to x plus x square plus 1 over x square plus 2. C2 square means 9 is equal to x plus 1 over x square plus 2. So this implies, look, x square, this one is x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. So the answer is 7. So the answer is 7. The answer is B. Look at question number 2. 10 years ago, the sum of the age of a father and his son was 50 years. After 10 years, the father's age will be twice of his son's age. What is the son's percentage? Solution. How do you solve such type of problem? Look, let F be the percentage of a father. The percentage age of a father, SB. Let S be the percentage of age of a son. This one is father. So first condition, step 1. Look, let F be the percentage of a father, S be the percentage of a son. So what the question says? 10 years ago. 10 years ago means the first condition, step 1, the first condition. That's two conditions. The first condition, 10 years ago means if the percentage is F, look, the percentage is a father is F, so 10 years ago means the past 10 years. If the percentage is F, therefore the past 10 years of a father is F minus 10 years. Plus again, the percentage of a son is S. In the past 10 years, the age of a son will be what? S minus 10. But the sum is at that time 15 years. So from this, F plus S minus 10 is minus 20 is equal to 50. So from this, F plus S is equal to 50 plus 20. This is 70 years. F plus S 70. We have got one question. Again, the second condition, step 2. Second condition. Look, second condition, after 10 years. After 10 years means the future. After 10 years, the father's age will be twice of his son. if the percentage is f, therefore after 10 years, the age of a father is f plus 10. But at that time, the age of a son is twice of, the age of a father is twice of his son. That means twice of, the percentage is of a son is s, therefore after 10 years, the age of a son will be s plus 10. This is step 2. So this will be f plus 10 is equal to 2 times s, 2s, plus 2 times 10, 20. So from this, we have got, rewrite this as f minus 2s is equal to 20 minus 10. Combine like that. So f minus 2s is equal to 10. We have question number 2. So combine question 1 and question 2. Step 1 and step 2. So bring this one. So we have f plus s is equal to, f plus s is equal to 70, and f minus 2s is equal to 10. So it is type of simultaneous equation. So let us subtract. Eliminate the variable f. F minus f is 0. S minus 2s is plus 3s. 70 minus 10 is 60. Therefore, what's required is the age of a son. This is equal to 3s is equal to 60 divided by 3 both sides by 3 by 3. This implies s is equal to 20. S means the percentage of a son. A son is 20 years. The answer is B. How do you see it? If you like it, share to your friends. Thank you.